The Triple Reel Pro with polywire comes with the 3 reels, the stand to put it on, and this chain for tying it back to the post. To put the stand in the ground, you sit it there, get it sort of as level as you can, and then push these pegs in. This ground's nice and soft, so they're going in very easily here. If it's a bit harder, you might need to use a rubber mallet to hit them in. Once you've got that there, we can set it up, ready to put out. And now that's in the position, ready to unwind. We're ready to run the wires out. If we want to put a bit of drag on the wires as we're going, you can just lift that back up over there, and that'll put a little bit of drag on. Now we'll grab the 3 handles, and it's just ready to walk out. Before you wind it in, we let the drag off it there, and now that's ready to wind back in. So we just wind that in, and we can move the handle here as we're doing it, and just keep winding until they all come up. Once you've got that on, put it in reverse, and you can wind it up. Just take the drill off to finish it, to tension it. You can just keep winding this by hand, and it'll pull them up. Because they've got clutches on each one, the loose ones can be pulled in until they hit here.